Hi guys, this is Naman again, and in this video, I'll be sharing a trade that I recently took in my personal account and how I was able to uh, catch a move of 18% within a matter of just 3 days. So I'll try to share the rationale behind buying and selling. Yeah. So the rationale was very simple. The logic was very simple. As the stock, after correcting almost 70% went sideways and was making a good small base, and within the base also, if you see, there was good volumes. That means there was good accumulation that was happening within the stock also. So yeah, there was good accumulation happening in the stock. And if you see the contractions, if you see the price behavior, you can see that with every contraction, every fall, the sellers in the stocks were losing their charge, maybe. So the first time the sellers could manage to break the stock by 31%, maybe, then 25, then 15, then 7%. So that clearly states that the stock was now in charge of bulls, or the buyers were very heavy as compared to sellers. So yes, the stock after consolidating was now getting sideways or consolidating near its 6 months high. So here also the 14.50 acts as a strong resistance, because the stock had reversed from there, from 1450, from for at least four times, 1 2 3 4. And now also the stock was correcting or getting consolidating, getting sideways or trading in a very thin range from last 4 5 days, and that was near 1450 only. So that stock getting sideways near its resistance, or getting consolidating or consolidating near its highs, it's always a good point. So yeah, so my entry was at was in this candle. Here I'll show, maybe. Yeah. So my entry was in this candle when I thought the stock had was trading in narrow range of 1 2% from last 4 5 days. I was hoping the stock would now start its up journey. And one more reason I entered the stock was this. Yeah, so the stock had done. I was hoping the stock had done with correction, and it was high time that it start moving upside. So I was lucky also that, like, the next day I bought the shares or added it to my portfolio. The stock went 9% up, and again the day next day after, the stock went 10% up. So that's almost 20% in a matter of just 2 days. And I took an exit around 17.15. And the reason was very simple, because I was expecting that the stock, after giving 18% returns, after moving 18% in matter of just 2 days, it should go consolidate here. And also one more reason was, uh, what we bought was a base within the bigger base. Yeah. So I bought a base breakout. One, I mean, this was a smaller base within the bigger base. So this is a base within the base, and it broke out from that base, and it was now trying to break out from this base. So I was hoping that the stock would now go consolidate here for next 3 4 5 days, because uh, whenever the stocks breaks out from mini base or base in base, I expect them to consolidate near in its bigger base. So I'll try to maybe explain with an example. So same thing happened in this Kalyan Jewelers also. Yeah. So this was a base within the bigger base. So this was a base within the bigger base. So now when the stock was breaking out from this, when the stock broke out from this base, it went sideways and consolidated near the highs of the bigger base. So the stock didn't do anything for 10 12 days, and then it gave a breakout and went nuts of or gave move of around 50-60%. So that is how you expect stocks to behave with consolidation, but it didn't happen with Alok Industries. I mean, after my exit, the stock went 4% down the next day, and it again moved up and gave a move of around 18% in next 2 days. But it was big, that the move, the second move of 18% was without the consolidation, the healthy consolidation, and that is the reason the stock came crashing down within the base, and now it's trading below my below my sell price, and it's trading at 1635. So that is what happens if the stock is not consolidating or not behaving in a healthy manner. By healthy manner, I mean the stock should consolidate in a right way near its highs for smooth upward journey. But it didn't happen in the stock, and that was the reason the stock gave a breakout, trapped the buyers, and it came crashing down. And it gave a move of 11% downside, and now it's back to the base. So if the stock doesn't goes up without the consolidation, that is one of the red flag that I see. So this is how I was able to catch an 18% return in just matter of just 3 days. So my first day would be this, second would be this, and third day would be this. So this is how I was able to make 18% in 3 days, and I was pretty lucky to be able to sell it at maybe at the right time. So yeah, this is it from my side. Thank you guys so much for watching.